Everyone, myself, Mrs. Shatabdi Dhar, Senior Faculty of SVIST. Today again I am here for discussing some program in C language using loop structure and nested loop structure. So the program we are going to discuss here is to generate Pascal triangle for n rows and to generate half pyramid of star. So our first program about which we will discuss now is write a C program to generate Pascal triangle for n rows. Now you can see the Pascal triangle how it looks like. So this is our program to generate Pascal triangle for n rows. First hash include std.h, the header file, standard header file, then int main. In the main function I have declared the rows variable. I have taken a variable coef equal to 1 space I and j. Now the message is given here through the printf function, that is enter the number of rows, and the variable rows, the value of the rows will be taken through the variable rows through the scanf function here. After that, in the for loop I equal to 0, I less than rows I plus plus. In this for loop, again a for loop is given here, that is for space equal to 1, space less than equal to rows minus I, space plus plus. Within this, the message will be like that: for displaying a gap, a space, the printf function is used here. Within this, again a for loop will be executed here for the j, that is j equal to 0, j less than equal to I, j plus plus. Within this, a if condition will run here for j equal to 0 or I equal to 0. If j equal to 0 or I equal to 0, then coef equal to 1. Else coef equal to coef multiplication with I minus j plus 1 divided by j. For that, printf the coef function, the coef variable. After that, within this for loop, the printf new line will be printed here or displayed here. At the last, the return 0. So here is the function. Here is a program for the Pascal triangle for n rows, where the number of rows will be given through the user. Now I am going to compile it. So after compilation, I will execute it. Now here's the message, that is enter the number of rows. I am giving the number 10. So we will get here the Pascal triangle for 10 rows. So here's our Pascal triangle for n rows. 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 3, 3, 1 up to 10 rows. Now we will discuss about the program, that is write a C program to generate half pyramid of star for n rows. Here is the pyramid of star for 5 rows. So here's the program in C to generate half pyramid of star for n rows. At first, hash include stdio.h, that is the header file, standard input output header file. After that, the int main function. In the main function, I have declared 3 variables, integer variables like I, j and rows. Now, to display enter the number of rows, I have used the printf function, and to take the number of rows from the user, I have taken the scanf function %d and %rows. After taking the number of rows from the user, the operation will like that. In the for loop, I equal to 1, I less equal to rows plus plus I, pre-increment of I. Within this for loop, again a for loop will be executed here for j. Here in the for loop, j equal to 1, j less equal to I plus plus j. Within this for loop, the star will be displayed through the function printf. After that, after this for loop, the printf new line will be printed here or displayed here. And the last, the return 0 will be given here. So through this program, we will generate half pyramid of star for n rows where n will be given by the user. Now I am compiling this program. After compilation, I am executing this. Now the message is here, that is enter the number of rows. Say I am taking 10 rows. So here's our half pyramid of star for n rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 rows. Hope by this video you can understand the important programs using loops. Thank you for watching this video. For watching more programs on loops, don't forget to subscribe my channel.